If I come to your house this Christmas and you give me this chicken pie, I will invite myself for the new year too. It is that delicious and simple to make. For this you need flour, butter, diced Irish potato, carrot, onion, spring onion, green peas, salt, bullion cubes, dry spices, minced ginger and garlic, oil of choice and 1 egg. First, cut your chicken into chunks. This will still be shredded in a food processor after cooking. To a dry pot, add your oil. Once it's hot, add your ginger garlic paste and mix in to cook for 30 seconds before adding your onion. Keep stirring to avoid burning and cook for 1 minute. Add your chicken chunks and mix well to combine. Keep mixing before adding your dry spices. You can add in curry, thyme, rosemary, pepper flakes because I like the heat, or any other spice that you like. Mix together and add your salt and bullion cubes. Cover to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pot, but to the same chicken broth, add your diced Irish potato, carrot and peas. Mix together. If you need more water, you can add about 1/3 of a cup and cover to cook for 10 minutes. I shredded my cooked chicken in my food processor. Poured it into my mix that is cooking. Mix together. If it turns out too dry because you need a bit of water, add more water and cover to cook for another 10 minutes. Make a thick cornstarch or flour water slurry and pour into your filling to thicken it. Mix together and cover to cook for 2 minutes. Add your spring onion and mix together. Take it off the fire immediately. To make the dough, add 1 part butter to 2 parts plain flour. If your butter is unsalted, add salt. If not, skip this step. If you're using margarine, please skip the salt. Mix together until the flour and butter fully combines and you have this sand-like wet texture before adding a cup of cold water. Add bit by bit while mixing together. Resist the urge to knead after it comes together. Cover and put in the fridge to rest for at least 30 minutes. To roll your pie, add some flour to a clean surface. This is to prevent sticking while rolling. Cut a small size of dough. You need a meat pie cutter or any sized container. I will show you how to use both. The shape and size of the container determines the shape of your pie. Roll the dough until it's smooth and light. Keep lifting while rolling so it doesn't stick to the work surface. I will use the container first. By using it, you can cut it into your dough, which would give you the size. I added the filling and used my hand to cover the sides. If the filling is too much, it won't close. Use a fork to seal the lips and place on the baking tray. To use the pie cutter, roll a good sized dough, place it over the cutter, add your filling and press together. Remove the excess and place in the baking tray. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes or until brown. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and save for more videos. The full ingredients list is in the caption. Enjoy your pie.